Hey, I'm Kyle Keller with Keller Interiors. We've been using C2 now for over a year. And one thing that we've known is one of our three core values is investing in people. We brought C2 on. They're tried and true in the industry. They know flooring, they know coaching. We brought them in because we really wanted the value and the leadership development that we needed from a source. And the coaching calls they do, the development, the sales content, all of that goes into one big umbrella that we're able to give to our people. We're able to see the results from sales. We're able to see the confidence in our managers. They've become better leaders. They're out in the field. They're delivering excellent customer service to all customers for us. And really, like, the investment that we've made has paid off dividends in the long run because of the coaching and everything that C2 has brought to us, the resources they have. It really has helped develop our people. And when we talk about investing in our people as Keller Interiors, C2 has been so crucial to that growth and development for us.